So just taking a quick look at Verasity on the daily time frame then. As we can see, it's still looking good on the macro in terms of just slowly starting to make our way up through our fib levels now. You can see my chart here, obviously previous bear market, massive bull market, bear market again here, consolidation for this bear market in this area, and now just a clean break above that previous level of resistance in and around 1 cent. The 1 cent area was the high of the previous bear market. As you can see, we got that nice 5x bounce off the very, very lows of the bear market at around 1/5 of a cent, up to around 1.1 cents. We come down in our big descending wedge, obviously breakout back test, continuation here, and now looking for that back test before the next continuation. On the daily time frame, really very, very simple stuff. On the hourly and the local area, you can see we have had this area of resistance like this, just like most cryptos have been forming up with Bitcoin having a retrace. Veracity's been having a retrace as well. Very, very common knowledge that the market follows Bitcoin until we see those altcoin seasons during the peak of the bull market, where Bitcoin gets boring and people start going into other things and rolling their cash into other stuff. Right now you can see very, very simple for Verasity. We came up here, we had this consolidation, we obviously start breaking down, and then we've got our break and retest here of our market structure that you can see. We've got our downtrend here, going down at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this low, and then you can see here consolidation at the low. We get breakout, looking like we're back testing into this area now, but breaking out of that resistance, and a lot of altcoins starting to do this, trickling back up towards that previous swing high area that they were at in this current phase of transitioning into the full bull market. And I think this is probably what's going to happen with Verasity as well. Obviously, just following on what Bitcoin's doing right now, if Bitcoin does continue to retrace and head down lower, we'll see Verasity come down probably to around this level here at the 0.38 Fibonacci for a full back test of that previous fib level. But I would say if we are continuing to the upside for Bitcoin and correcting the correction and starting to head up again, Verasity is obviously going to follow it to the upside, heading back into this area here, the 0.50 up at around 1.3 cents. Will be the target, but right now things looking fine. Just a very healthy retrace after this very, very bullish move from around 0.5 cent there up to around 1.5, 1.6 cents. So a decent 3x in the space of about a month. A nice cool off and then more continuation going into the bull market. Very, very likely. Verasity looking completely fine to me. Still looking for that anywhere from that 50 cent to $1 area as the target up here, which I think is very, very possible when you look essentially at what we're looking at on the chart here. I mean, what this thing really got moving in the last bull market, and a fractal that's similar to this will easily take us up into this area here, anywhere from around 30 cents to $1, and then beyond that, we'll see what we can do. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, get involved and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.